Hello and welcome to today's session on business banking. My name is Sam Harper and I am a digital eagle with Barclays. Who are digital eagles? So digital eagles are colleagues and we are based up and down the country in our branches, our contact centres and in our head office locations. And basically we are all on a mission to help everybody use the digital world confidently and safely. So what's the purpose of today's session? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can take control of your money from wherever you are 24 hours a day. Some of the things that we will cover today are we'll look at our digital offerings, account management, cheque imaging, cash handling, payment acceptance, and useful resources that I can direct you to at the end of today's session. So let's begin with our digital offerings. So we offer the Barclays app. The Barclays app is available to you if you have a Barclays or Barclaycard account, a mobile number, or you are 16 or over. Just one thing on this, you will need a device running iOS 11 or Android 5 or above. The reason for that is just because we are constantly updating our systems to provide the best to our customers. If you have a complex mandate, for example, 2 or more people needing to authorize payments for your business, you won't be able to use the app, but you can still use online banking services. So using the app means you can do loads of different things that you would otherwise have to go into a branch to do. For instance, you can now do your banking from the comfort of home or while you're out and about. For example, via the app, you can check your balance and transactions for your personal and business accounts. You can pay an invoice, pay bills, including your Barclays card, transfer money between accounts, and store important documents through something that we call Cloud It. Now, people often question, look, how secure will everything be? Is there any guarantee with using the app? Well, that's where we have brought in the online and mobile banking guarantee. When you use our online banking and other full or mobile banking services, you will be automatically protected by our online and mobile banking guarantee. What does that mean? This means that if a fraudster takes any money from your account, we will reverse the transactions. So it's like it never happened. This includes paying money back to you into your account, refunding any charges and interest that you've paid as a result, and we'll also refund any interest you may have missed out on. There are certain instances that we won't refund you. So if we have reasonable grounds to think you're not entitled to a refund, we might have to look at the claim first, where it'll be referred to a specialist team to review. We also won't give you a refund if we think that you've acted fraudulently. We might have to involve the police in these cases. We might not give you a full refund if we think you've either deliberately or with gross negligence failed to keep your card, PIN, online banking password, and other full passwords, such as your PIN Sentry device, PIN Sentry codes, mobile PIN Sentry codes, or mobile devices secure. Or if you failed to tell us as soon as possible that you've lost your card or mobile phone, especially if you think someone else might be able to find or use these. In those instances, it's unlikely a refund of any payment may be made to you. So we won't refund any payment made before you've told us your card or security details were lost or compromised. So how can you protect your account? Well, we give you the tools which are personal to you. So you can log in to online banking or mobile banking and carry out transactions. So these include your online banking passcode, memorable words, PIN Sentry generated codes, and your 5-digit passcode for Barclays mobile banking. You can also use your fingerprint on compatible mobile devices. It's important you keep the security information and your mobile device PIN safe. These are unique to you, and bank staff will never know what these are. That's just for you to know. You'll find lots of tips to help you bank from home safely on our website. There are other ways we can protect you too. So for instance, our secure login protects your accounts on Barclays mobile banking. Will automatically log you out when you navigate away from your apps, or if you haven't used your app for 3 minutes. So there's a 3-minute timeout if you were to be on your phone or tablet and you came off the app after 3 minutes. If you haven't returned, we will securely log you out. And also on your online banking, that's 10 minutes. So if you come away from the page for 10 minutes and don't return, we will log you out. If you use online banking, your PIN Sentry device and mobile PIN Sentry tool in the mobile banking app give you an extra level of protection for more security sensitive transactions. Your security is our top priority, but you can take some steps yourself to make using our service even more secure. We run many more sessions which you can book online, covering digital safety. Now, this takes us to account management. As well as your everyday banking, like transferring money between your accounts or checking balances, our app and online banking help you manage your business finances on the go. So let's look at invoicing. Barclays invoicing lets you create, send, track, and reconcile invoices using the Barclays app. Create and send invoices in moments using your smartphone. Cuts out the need to print anything. No more needing to post. You can now invoice on the spot. Keep a close eye on your cash flow wherever you are. With just one app for banking and managing your invoices, you can quickly see what's been paid and when. You can also send reminders for overdue payments, and you can get a notification when an invoice has been settled. Statements and documents. So I mentioned Barclays Cloud It before. With Cloud It, you can keep everything you need to run your business and your home organized. Upload, sort, and manage your documents securely online. You can use Barclays Cloud It to keep copies of your business paperwork safe. View your bank statements. We'll upload them to your cloud automatically. So if you're ever in need of a statement, you can contact the bank. We can download a statement directly onto the cloud for you to then go and download and print off. You can upload details of contracts, store copies of expense receipts, store invoices and purchase orders, so it's easy to track payments and finances. There is so much you can do with Cloud It, and it's a secure place, as I mentioned before, to store your important business documents. And then digital receipts. You can now keep track of your receipts using digital receipts in our app. Whenever you pay with your Barclays debit card at participating retailers, a digital receipt will be automatically saved. A digital receipt is exactly the same as a paper receipt. It looks the same, but it's stored digitally, so you can access that through your app now. You won't need to provide any additional information. This will be done automatically for you. We've also now introduced the fantastic feature of check imaging. Using check imaging, you can scan and deposit checks via your Barclays app. When you deposit a check via your app, it clears faster than it would if you paid it in branch. Now you may think, how can I pay a check-in through my phone? Well, it's as simple as just going onto the app, selecting paying a check, taking a photograph of your check, front and back, filling in the information, and then confirming. And then the check will be cleared within a few days. Now, how long? Well, if you pay the check-in by 3:59, so before 4 p.m. on a weekday, the money will be in your account by 11:59 p.m. the next workday, so before midnight. And you can pay up to 20 checks of £1,000 each every 7 days directly into your Barclays Sterling, current, or savings account. Now, we exclude ISAs and bonds on this for obvious reasons. Business customers, as I say, you can pay up to 20 checks per 7 days, and again, up to that value of £1,000 each. One thing to note, if you are a Barclays personal or Premier Banking customer as well, checks into those accounts will be subject to a personal limit, which is lower than the business limit, personal limit of 4 checks per 7 days. Also, we cannot accept foreign checks through this service. The reasoning is that that's an entirely different process we have to follow to clear foreign checks. So it's just those sterling checks at the moment. To pay in a check using your app, as I said before, log into your Barclays app, select Pay and Transfer at the bottom of your screen, and then tap Pay in a check. You will then be directed to choose the account you want to pay the check into. Select the account, enter the amount and a reference if you need one, and then take a photo. Before you try and pay in the check, we might bring up that you have to give permission for us to access your camera. You're just allowing the camera to be able to take a picture, so the camera works through the app. So that's all that is. Just follow the instructions on your screen to allow the access. Hold your phone over the front of the check. You'll see a green rectangle. When the camera is correctly placed, your app will automatically photograph the check, and then do the same for the back of the check and tap Pay and Check. One tip on that point is it often works better if you use a darker background, just because the check will show more clear when the picture is taken. So let's look at cash handling. Barclays have different options available to collect your cash. So you can focus on running your business. We can also deliver change through our cash supply service. So Barclays Collect. Barclays Collect is secure and convenient and has no minimum payment or monthly fee. Items are collected by a security specialist, G4S. You can pay in a maximum of 20,000 per collection. Up to £1,000 of that can be in coin, and up to 50 checks can be paid in with the cash collection too. As long as you pay in more than £5,000, your collections are free. Book one-off or reoccurring collections for either the morning or the afternoon. Collection availability does differ from location to location, and if you book before midday, you can get a collection for the next working day. Check whether Barclays Collect is available in your area by using our postcode checker on our website. Just need to search Barclays Collect on our website and then fill in your details, and you'll be able to see. Prices and eligibility can also be found in the same place on our website. Next, we have Business Direct Deposit Service. So Business Direct Deposit Service is for people unable to use Barclays Collect, and it allows you to easily and securely deposit large quantities of cash and checks through the use of cash in transit. And it allows you to easily and securely deposit large quantities of cash and checks through the use of a cash in transit carrier company. You do need to arrange a contract with the carrier and pay the associated fees. Unlike Barclays Collect, collections can be out of hours. Remote locations can also be serviced. Large volumes of cash can be deposited, and bulk coins accepted. Registering for the service, you can register for this service through our support team, and once registration is complete, you can arrange collection directly from the courier. And then finally, as part of cash handling, we have post office banking. Believe it or not, you can do much of your day-to-day banking at the post office if you hold a business account with Barclays. Using the post office, you can pay in cash to your business account using your Barclays debit card and PIN, or by using a deposit card. The cash will be available straight away and you will get a full receipt to confirm this. You can also pay in checks with a pre-printed paying in slip and a check deposit envelope. Checks deposited this way will take 2 days to show as pending on the account and can take up to a further 5 working days to clear. If you're depositing large volumes of checks, you can also use a pre-addressed envelope delivered to you. And checks can be inserted into envelopes before being dropped off at a post box where Royal Mail will send to our cash centre to be deposited. Many post offices also have cash machines, which you can use to withdraw money or check your balance. You can also alter your ATM withdrawal limit from the Barclays app, allowing you to choose the daily withdrawal limits for this type of transaction. Find out which services your local post office provides on their website, and you can talk through the options available to you with our support team. Payment acceptance. Research by YouGov has shown a 60% drop in cash withdrawals from UK cash machines, which could tell us that fewer people are willing to use cash. MasterCard data also shows a 40% increase in contactless payments in the first quarter of 2020 alone. It's more important than ever to offer different ways for your customers to pay. Card machines. So card machines are an easy way to start taking payments at the till, around your premises, or even out on the road. Desktop, portable, mobile, and Barclaycard anywhere, card machines suit most locations and budgets. You can reduce the need to cash handle with PIN pads, allowing contactless payments up to the current limit of £45. As well as face-to-face payment options, there's also a range of payment options to cover online, phone, and mail payments. By offering your customers a wider choice of payment options in-store, online, over the phone, and on the go, you are now opening up more opportunity to grow your customer base. Terms and conditions do apply, and again, you can find more out on these by searching accepting card payments on our website. That's accepting card payments. So some useful resources for you. Whether you would like to find out more or you're interested in anything that I've spoken about today, we have a range of resources available to you. To help with digital banking queries, search for Business Banking from Home. That's Business Banking from Home on our website, where you'll find videos and how-to guides covering everyday banking journeys. Barclays Digital Wings. So Barclays Digital Wings is designed to give you the knowledge and confidence to do more with digital. You can find bite-sized modules to help you with everyday banking, all the way to discovering how to make your business digital friendly. We're adding more modules all the time, and it's completely free and takes seconds to sign up. Our specialist client solutions at Barclays Business provide free educational webinars for our business customers covering subjects such as data privacy, unlocking international opportunities, and cybersecurity. All our sessions are housed on Eventbrite. Just search Barclays Business Webinars. We also have specialist client solutions managers who can support in other areas such as cash management, whether that be discussing digital platforms and increasing functionality within them to meet business requirements, to then ordering change to be delivered to customers' premises, or having the ability to post checks of high value. SCS, so Specialist Client Solutions, can conduct reviews over the phone on a one-to-one basis. They will understand your business needs and go in depth with different solutions available. If you wish to have an appointment, then please contact your relationship point, who will be happy to book in a review. So that's all from me today. Thank you so much for attending. Goodbye.